Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a video from Reddit application. Keep watching the video till the end. To download video from Reddit, firstly open your Reddit application. The homepage of Reddit will appear on the screen. Click on any video that you want to download. On the next page, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on download. Allow Reddit to access your photos and videos of your device by tapping on allow. This is how you can download a video from Reddit application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.